Welcome to MarineMax Greenville. I'm going to take you through our 2020 Bennington 22 GSR. This boat is equipped with the silver Simtech material. It's the radius seating layout. Has the new table design for 2020, very sleek design. It has the bow filler, fillable, removable seat that you can put in the front or the back. This boat has the gray seagrass flooring. It has the soft touch vinyl dash with the Simrad GPS system. This boat would be equipped with a 200 Mercury outboard, plenty of horsepower for water sports and cruising around the lake. Has the radius seating in the back. This boat also does have the blackout package that you'll see in the video. So it has the black rails and has the black framing for the bimini with a bimini that comes in black color. Come and check out this boat at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or come and see it at our store here in Greenville, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Again, this is our 2020 Bennington GSR 22-foot boat. Thank you very much.